Hello and welcome to Pinpoint Manufacturing. We've been making high quality, durable and best-in-class lifting bags since 2006. Every bag we manufacture is made here in the UK. Our bags are rigorously tested by third-party experts to meet exacting global standards. They all have a clearly labelled safe working load, certificate of conformity, unique serial number and CE marking. Pinpoint are LEEA members and ISO 9001 accredited. We use high tensile polyester coated fabric, tough as nails PVC inserts and trays, stainless steel lifting eyes, and we can supply our bags in 9 jazzy colours. Want water resistance? Absolutely. Temperature resistance from a balmy 70 degrees centigrade to a brassy minus 30 degrees? We got you. Need a company logo? Done. Need a higher safe working load? That's done too. Want a bespoke design to meet your exact needs? Sure thing. Pinpoint serves offshore, renewables and construction sectors, but due to our in-house bespoke design service, we can make lifting bags for any lifting application. There's no minimum order, we deliver across the UK and Europe, and we keep our prices as low as we can for such high quality lifting bags. There's no 5-year expiry date, cheap Vietnamese labour or inferior materials here, just high quality, UK made, seriously good lifting bags. Quality is king at Pinpoint Manufacturing, and a Pinpoint bag will see you right. So don't choose a scattergun approach to your lifting operations, think Pinpoint.